Welcome back to the new case study number 4. We will see in this video how to split the combined data into multiple Excel files. So if you remember, the data was coming from multiple CSV files. We combined into one Excel file previously, but this one would be into multiple separate Excel files. Let us see an example here. So I'll just copy the previous container and I'll just paste it over here. Let me give some proper name. And I can rename this one as case study number 4, split combined data into multiple Excel files. Now here, what are the changes I need to do? I obviously have to expand this container and I can just enable this container option. In the render tool, only one setting I need to take care. In the output, which is saving the output file, I have to change the extension as XLSX. But I'll also change the folder. I have already created one folder named as Excel output files. Let me change the type as Excel document and I can write as output 1. Any name I can give it. And now when I click on run button, you see that particular folder will contain all the Excel files, multiple Excel files in one shot. Based on the client, customer and the company, you can keep on splitting. So right now there are 17 subcategories, because of which it has given 17 Excel files. If you open any one Excel file, you will get data related to only that particular subcategory. Okay, coming back to Alteryx, and I hope you have understood how do you split the combined data into multiple Excel files using Alteryx. That's all for this video.